The mountain of prayer, Ngong Hills, is one of its kind. It's a mountain that takes away people's pain. And today, I've decided to visit Ngong Hills.
Ngong, should I stop using the word so? Every time I use so every time. So that we use in Kenya. Behind me, you can see Ngong Town. That is Ngong Town and Nairobi City. Wow, Nairobi City look good. I wish I had a wide lens and a wide lens and a range lens, like a zoom lens, so that I could have get the city from this place. It looks good from this place. So as I was saying, I'm in Ngong. You can see the magic. I'm here because I want to pray. A lot of hard time recently. I've been having a lot of hard times. Things have been not working for me. Things have been like they haven't been working. So I'm here to pray, just to get my head out there. I just sent here myself with nothing. I have only one groundnut and a half chapati to use to eat, as you can see. Okay, this is too long to walk. Those ones, they used to be there when I was in Ngong, when I was in Tunza. These ones are new. These ones are new. New. Shall I go and play with them? I jump. Okay. Wow. It is beautiful. Do you see that view, guys? That is beautiful. Beautiful. So I just paid at the gate. Okay, it's like equivalent to $2 or less than $1 with the 90 cents, something like that, because of the dollar. Whew. It's a long distance. I need to go up there. I'm going up there somewhere there. I can hide. No, I didn't use this place when I was growing up in Tunza Children's Home down there. Like 10 years ago, 1 decade. I wish I used this place very well, because I used to come here for free. But did I have camera? No, I didn't have camera for editing video for YouTube. Wow, look at this.
In life, we got one thing in life to live for. We just have to accept that we had of different purpose in life.
This is how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful. Fresh air. It is so fresh. There's a fresh air inside here. Even it tries to take away all the stress I've had, all the depression that I've gone through this week. Man, this recent 2 months, they have been tough months for me. But I don't give up, because I was raised to never give up in life. To go out there, do what you have to do, and get it all. Yeah, I had a suicide attempt once in my life. Not once, like 3 years, when I was still stupid and young. Down there, I was still a very small boy. Very. When I wasn't even ready to go to school. I tried that suicide, but it never happened, because God didn't want me to die that time. God didn't want me to go. It wasn't yet my time to go. So it wasn't my day. I decided, like, I have to live. No matter how life gets hard, I'll still continue living. I'll still push until things happen. I'll look for friends. I'll go outside there, talk to friends, tell them this and this. If they can help, they will. If they don't want, it is okay. It is from their heart when they help. That is part of life. That is part of people. That is how my life has been, always. I know I've been a victim for a long time, and I want to change that. I want to be somebody. I want to change my life. I want to have things on my own. I want to be able to do what I have to do to succeed in life. Look, you can see someone there praying, because this place is so powerful. Where people come, they cry to God. They tell him what do they want in their life. And that is what I'm here for. I'm here to relieve my pain. The Bible says, I'll never forsake you. I'll never abandon you. Bring your burdens to me and I'll uplift them. So that is why we're here. All of us, we are going to seek that one face that we always believe there is God. But for me, I'm here for one thing. I'm here for God. I'm here to pray like those ones. That is what brought me in Ngong. I'm here to talk to God so that my life, it relieves depression, it relieves the pain, the struggles, it relieves. We just get away from the life that we are used to. So I'm here to pray, to ask God for life. Everyone inside here, they are praying. All people that you see here, they are all talking to their God. She's reading a Bible. Did I carry even my Bible? No. But I know the verses. She's reading, or she's crying to God. Women, young people, it is hard to see us coming and pray. I don't know why. Are you waiting for such a view? Look at that view from there. What? I used to swim there. There is even no water. Those are so small. I just came here just to cry to God so that I can have a moment with Him so much that I can be myself, talk to Him, talk to the princess of this life, because life hasn't been so easy for me for some days now. It has passed like 2 months to 3 months. Things haven't not been working. I've been wondering why. Am I the mistake? And why do I work like this? Why do life has to be like this to many of us? Like me, being one of them, I don't know. Is it bad? Is it good?